Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Roaring Cycle Spotlight. I hope you all had a very good week. And today being Sunday, I hope some of you all went for a ride and had fun over there. I did go for a ride and a very short ride to Sinchan Lake, which is somewhere, which is in Safala actually. So yeah, it was a good ride and the weather was okay. Like coming back, it was so hot. So yeah. So, did y'all go for any rides or anything? Today, today we are going to have a special guest who is an advocate. He loves to travel. He's done, he's been to a lot of places, as in traveled to a lot of places, and of course he loves to bike around. So yeah, we do bring bikers, right? So he is one of the passionate biker, and he is an advocate as well. So let's see what stories he has to tell us, and we will try to question him a bit around the rules and regulations that we have to follow whilst we are on the road, or few other things with regards to the biking rules. So let's wait for him to join in, and meanwhile, uh, you can tell us what you would like to do. Hi Dipti, how are you? We are just waiting for our guest to join in. हाँ, नेवर माइंड, हम लोग फिर से जाएंगे नेक्स्ट वीक में प्रोबेबली, या कहीं पे। राइड अच्छा था, लेकिन बहुत 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 ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया था। बाय द टाइम 9 साढ़े 9 बजे हम लोग वहाँ से निकले, तब तक इतना गर्म हो गया था कि बाय आई केम बैक एंड आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली रेड। इतना ज़्यादा हीट था। अभी फिर से क्लाउडी हो रहा है, आई थिंक सो वेदर शुड बी बेटर लेटर होपफुली। नाइस। रोड अच्छे मिले तुम्हें, मतलब खाली मिला कि फिर वॉज देयर टू मच ऑफ ट्रैफिक? अभिषेक इज़ नॉट येट ऑनलाइन। अभिषेक को पर्सनली पिंग करना प्राइस के लिए। It's so hot, I'm still sweating. It's very hot, very humid. Just give me 2 minutes, I will be back. Let me check Okay. So we have our guest. Let me add him on.
Hi Mohit, have you reached home? Vishal, you need to accept the request. Okay, let me send him. Yeah, can you hear me now, Lalit? Hey, hi.
Hi,
Good
hi.
afternoon.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
What kept you so long?
I didn't got a request. I just got a request and then I accepted it.
I sent you a request anyway.
Yeah,
So, how are you?
I'm wonderful here. I'm wonderful. You tell me, how are you?
I'm good. Did you go for a ride today?
No, 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 not at all. It was not possible.
Okay.
Hmm.
खा लो पहले.
कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
So, welcome to our show, Vishal. It's Roaring Cycle Spotlight, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank
We
you.
know
Thank you so
you are
much.
a passionate biker. You love to travel. I keep seeing your posts, and then you love to photograph certain hues of the sunset and all that. I keep
Yeah,
looking at
yeah.
all that.
Thank
So,
you.
so tell us something about yourself other than being a biker.
Okay, I'm a lawyer by profession. Uh, practicing at Bombay High Court since last 15 years.
Wow.
Have two offices. Apart from being biker, I'm a traveler too. I love clicking good photographs. Uh, keep learning. I am a good reader. So that's it.
And where are you from?
See, basically, I am from a place called Malegaon, which you must have heard.
Yeah.
Okay, and then for graduation, I shifted to Bombay.
Mm-hmm.
I did my graduation from Government Law College, Churchgate, and after that, I'm here.
Cool. And in law, what do you practice? Like criminal law or corporate law?
See, as a firm, means we'll take care of all the matters, but my forte
Mhm.
is commercial and property laws.
Okay. So if we
Yeah,
have any property lafda, we'll come
related
to you.
issues. Yes, you can anytime.
Cool, cool. So Vishal, tell us how did you start with the biking and like what intrigued you to actually start with the biking?
See, frankly speaking, my dad used to own a BSD in my childhood days, so I was fascinated by that bike, the cruiser bike. But being in Bombay, I was not allowed to purchase a bike. So
Okay.
uh, when I went to Goa in 2009, 2010, that time we hired a Royal Enfield for just, our excursion, going here and there. So I liked that bike so much. As soon as I came back from Goa, I booked the bike.
Wow.
At that time, this Desert Storm was recently launched.
Uh-huh.
So I was fascinated by the color of that bike, sand color. So
Ah.
I booked that, and then I got in touch with Bison's Ride Hut. So
Mm-hmm.
and it was recently formed, so I started going on a ride with them, and that's how
Okay.
my biking passion started.
Cool. And which was your first favorite ride?
Um,
Lonavala.
no, 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 no. My first ride was barbecue and beaches. That is, we went to Murud Janjira with bike.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So Aditya Raj Kapoor, you must have heard, he was the ride captain
Yes.
for that ride, and we went. That was my first ride.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So
not
what did
Lonavala.
you do? So first ride in a group, how did you feel like going with a group and all that, like
I
following
really
them?
enjoyed it, Shilpa. To be very honest, for me, I was not aware of the biking culture per se. But when I
Correct.
went with my group, Bison's Ride Hard, they were so disciplined. They used to ride in a single formation, not overtaking, headlights on, and then everyone was taking care of each other. If someone is falling behind, the other biker used to stop for him, and it was really fascinating. It's so caring, so concerned on the highways. NH17 as it is, how infamous
Yeah,
it is. So
absolutely.
so I liked that culture, and then the group riding. It was fun. So I started liking that. Then every week we used to go on a ride. So it started with that.
Wow. And did you do any solo rides?
Yeah, I do. I did. I really did. I went to Spiti solo. That was my first ride to Himachal. So it was a solo
Oh,
ride for,
wow.
yeah.
Spiti and solo must have been so challenging. I mean, Spiti roads are so, I mean, no roads.
Yeah, there are
So,
no roads, but it was really fun. Spiti is my favorite place. If you tell me to go on a ride to Spiti, I can go anytime.
okay, take me along. I'm coming.
Anytime, Shilpa, anytime. Which I can tell you the turns and the curves on the road. कि आगे अब ये आने वाला है, आगे अब ये आएगा. देख.
Wow.
I have been
Awesome.
to Spiti 4 to 5 times till now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
I've been only once. So yeah, I have not memorized it as yet, but I'll go with you definitely.
yeah. It is a beautiful place. Till the time tourist doesn't hit that place and make it commercial, one should visit it and enjoy that beautiful terrain.
Absolutely. So what made you take up that particular trip as solo? As in, why did you go to Spiti solo?
See, the actual plan was going to Ladakh, as every biker wants to go to Ladakh as soon as he purchases a Royal
Why?
Enfield. So
Huh.
my plan was that only. But when I started riding to Spiti, it was so beautiful that I have consumed all the 19-20 days on that ride itself. So then there was no time to go to Ladakh.
Okay.
I think 15 days I was in Spiti. 16th, 17th, and 18th day I was in Manali. That
Okay.
time this ride-in cafe was recently opened.
Mm-hmm.
So I enjoyed over there. Godwin was there, so he's a fellow biker. So I enjoyed over there and came back because there were no days in my hand to do Leh in that ride.
Then when did you do Leh?
Very next year, very next year. So
And
I
how
did
many days
Leh
did
and
you take it
Zanskar
there?
together.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Zanskar is beautiful again. I mean, it's
Yeah. It is
again
very raw,
unexplored.
very challenging. It tests your
Yeah.
endurance like anything. There are absolutely no roads. There are so many water streams which are very difficult to cross. And on that ride, my wife was there with me. So uh,
Oh,
I was, means we were, it was very difficult to cross when a pillion is there. Very difficult to cross the streams when pillion is there along with you.
absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah.
the weight itself pulls you down and you can't rev through and you cannot ask your pillion to get down and cross through
Yeah.
the water because
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
so
yeah.
cold you can't do that as
Cold,
well.
and again, having means controlling the balance on the bike on a gravel filled road is very difficult on that terrain.
Yeah, and again there were I think now they are building up roads, but then there were no roads, and there are no marking, typical marking like where you have to
Yeah,
go, how you
absolutely.
have to
There are
go.
no marking. You just need to follow the tire marks. That's it.
Yeah,
That's it. Now, today only I
abs-
heard they have built a new road from Nimur to Padum to Darcha.
Darcha. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I just
So
saw that.
yeah, so they are coming up with all the good roads now. Then there is other road which has opened, which I wanted to do this year, Shinkula Pass. but
Yeah.
due to COVID lockdown, we couldn't able to do it.
Yeah, that's what they have opened now. Nimmu, Darcha, Shinkula, that pass.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
okay, we will do another one. We will do together.
Done. Anytime, yeah, anytime, Shilpa.
So, tell me what has been so very memorable in all these. Yeah, you did a lot of rides and all that, but what has been your most memorable ride till date? What
Ah,
is it that you cherish?
Arunachal ride, I can say. Arunachal ride was the most memorable one. We had so much fun on that ride. The terrain was absolutely difficult. There were no roads at all. And if you have been to Arunachal, you will understand. There are these rivers. They don't have bridges on the rivers, and the banks are
Yeah,
at least a kilometer or 2 kilometers vast, and there are at least multiple 3 to 4 multiple streams in the same bank of the river.
correct.
Crossing that those banks in a sand-filled riverbed, gravel means आधा आधा पैर वो सैंड में चला जाता था यार बाइक को निकालना तो बहुत दूर की बात है and then you are traveling through a jungle, you are hearing the sounds of wild animal. It was amazing, boss. It was really amazing. We went for a NERM that year.
Uh,
So we did
Pasighat.
Pasighat, yes. So we did the eastern part of Arunachal, and it was really beautiful. That was the memorable ride, I can say. There is another ride which we did last year, which is Sach Pass, which is also
Mhm.
very memorable. And I am sure none of my group members will forget that ride because we have went through a typical Kashmiri turmoil on that ride. So वो एक experience बहुत अच्छा था.
I know such pass baki hai, and I have to yet explore Arunachal to quite some extent. Like I went to Tezu, I went to the eastmost part of it.
Yeah. The
But
same like us. We have been to
yeah,
Tezu and all those places.
yeah. Then I went to yeah, I've been to Zero. Zero is again very
Zero is a
beautiful.
very beautiful. Zero Valley is very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
bas, I have not gone to Tawang and other places. I have yet to explore.
चलो साथ में चलते हैं और क्या है.
Yes, absolutely. Third ride हो गया अभी तुम्हारे साथ.
हाँ.
Or probably we'll just pack up everything into one bundle and then we'll go everywhere.
अरे लॉयर होने के बाद इतना दिन नहीं निकल सकता यार शिल्पा. That is the difficult task.
अभी सब online हो गया, so we'll do online consultation of lawyers. So just put a judge online.
I don't mind.
Yeah. So Abhishek is saying you should actually share your experience about your Arunachal place. Like what are the things that happened over there? Anything special that happened there?
Yes, there was one incident which I would like to share. As I told you, the terrain was very difficult. You need to press your clutch quite often over there. Just to get the grip to maneuver between those sand beds and the river beds. So what happened is my clutch coil got heated and it got stuck. So my bike was taking a pickup at all. So we thought
Right.
that clutch plate to घिस गया, खत्म हो गया. And I was in the middle of the river itself. So we were
Oh.
thinking क्या करें अभी, let's see क्योंकि आगे 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers there are no towns, behind you cannot go. So we were waiting and there was another group which came from this NERM. They were from Manipur or I think Arunachal. So the same problem happened with one of the biker and we saw it. He just loosened those screws of the clutch cable and did something and his bike started taking pickup. So we also did that. So in the middle of nowhere, when the sunset was happening, we were so scared that abhi aaj to yahi rukna padega because you cannot take your bike ahead. But this was this incident which has happened with us, and we understood that you need to go on a ride to understand your bike and these small things by which we call jugaad. If you
Absolutely.
stuck somewhere. So then this is what has happened. Then another incident which happened, which I would like to share is on our Sach Pass ride. After Killakishwar, we went to this place called Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir because we wanted to this Mughal Road.
हाँ.
So Mughal Road के लिए हम अनंतनाग आए, अनंतनाग रुके, and then in the morning when we were planning to leave for a place called Shopian, which
Yeah.
is which to be a very terrorist
These are all
infested
the
area,
infamous places.
infamous area. So we came to know that there was some encounter happened, and
Okay.
the road is closed. So
Mhm.
we बोला कि let's go through a Kulgam route. So we took Kulgam route by starting our Google Maps.
Okay.
Anantnag to Shopia, outskirts of Shopia, and we were following Google Map. So somewhere it showed us to take a left turn, a right turn, and we asked the military guy कि अगर ये road Shopia जाता है क्या? So he told us, हाँ ये Shopia जाता है, आप जाओ. So we took that road. It was a country road, absolutely small villages. And suddenly we reached to a juncture, a square, where we saw few guys were sitting, and they were looking at us like anything. We 7 bikers were there. बोला अभी ये रूट तो बता ही रहा है यार, गूगल मैप यही लेते हैं, थोड़ा हिंट तो आ गया, कुछ गड़बड़ जगह पे आ गए हम लोग. And as soon as we took that right turn, we saw a electric pole, वहां पे रखा हुआ था, and the road was blocked.
Oh.
So I was the first one, so I just bypassed that pole. जब तक लास्ट के 2 राइडर्स पहुंचते नहीं तब तक उन्होंने चिल्लाना चालू किया, and they started pelting stones.
Oh shit.
We were so scared. जैसे तैसे आगे तो निकल गए. We moved ahead and we saw military, and they stopped us. Where are you guys going? So we told them we are going to Shopia because we need to take a middle road. बोले you cannot go ahead. There is an encounter happening ahead, and you cannot. We told them we cannot go behind because people were standing over there and they won't allow us to go now. They were pelting stones. So what is to be done? So we were so scared that time. We were shivering like anything. You cannot go ahead. You cannot go behind. So then
आगे
these
खड्डा पीछे
guys
खाई.
told कि चलो ठीक है, we'll escort you. जीप निकालो और चलो. तो एक हवालदार वहां से दौड़ते हुए आया, मिलिट्री का ही बंदा था. सो साहब नहीं, ये नहीं करेंगे, जीप जाएगी तो पत्थरों का साइज बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो बोले हम वॉक करते हुए ही जाते हैं और इनको एस्कॉर्ट करते हैं, एक जंक्शन तक एस्कॉर्ट करते हैं. And then we started following them. They were firing bullets in the air, and they were escorting us all with the helmets and all the protecting gears. So हम लोग वापस वही जंक्शन पे आ गए, चौक पे, and we were supposed to take a left turn. So military ने हमको वहां तक तो escort कर दिया. As soon as we took that turn, it was a shower of stones from all where, यार.
Oh my God.
और अरे पूछ मत, सातों की सातों ने जैसे गाड़ी भगाई है. एंड बिलीव मी, एक जय बोल के मेरा फ्रेंड है, उसके हेलमेट पे स्टोन लगा, उसका वाइजर. तो ही सडनली रियलाइज कि अरे मेरा विजन एकदम क्लियर हो गया, क्या हुआ.
Oh God.
एंड देन आफ्टर गोइंग a kilometer ahead, he realized that his visor was off because of the stone. एक का हेडलाइट फूट गया. So it was a very scary experience
I
which
can
we had.
imagine that.
And वो डर इतना ज्यादा था कि I was having a GoPro on my helmet. I didn't realize that I need to start a GoPro so that I can record that incidents. But it was a most memorable thing which we have, scariest and the most memorable thing which we have experienced in Kashmir. हमने तो टीवी पे देखा stone pelting, but वो चीज बहुत अलग थी. That was
You
really
experienced it.
Yeah. We experienced it.
This was I think July 2019, right? When they were
Yeah.
370.
370 का just 2 days before complete lockdown in Kashmir Valley for 370. A day before, sorry, not 2 days. A day before.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I did go, but I went in August. I started on August 15 from Chandigarh.
Okay.
For Leh, and I went through Manali, and the road was so bad and totally washed off, and Pagal Nala was literally Pagal, and snowfall. We were frozen in Baralachala because it was snowing so badly. We couldn't even look ahead. Visor ऊपर रखेंगे तो आँख में बर्फ गिरेगा. Visor नीचे रखेंगे तो पूरा visor बर्फ से भर जाता. and it
Yeah,
was such so difficult.
I never experienced snowfall. Yeah, I wanted to experience that on any of my rides. I never
अभी
experienced
अभी
that.
अगले राइड पे हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे पक्का.
Done. I wanted to do winter spiti, so देखते हैं कब वो
Yeah,
materialize
winter
होता
spiti is remaining. I did spiti, but winter spiti is remaining. So I think we'll keep a a bar where we will ride क्या ride हम लोग एक साथ
है.
करेंगे.
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल.
So I am not sure who this guy Thinley Soden Bhutia. He says
Yeah,
come to Sikkim. Have
yeah,
you
she
been?
was a wonderful host, my dear. Hi, Thinla. We went to Sikkim on a ride, and Thinle and her husband Karma, they were wonderful hosts. They have taken us to all the possible places in Sikkim. Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah,
Which all places did you go?
we did East, West, and South Sikkim.
Okay.
Gangtok, and there are few places I'm not recollecting the names, but
Mm-hmm.
but we couldn't do North Sikkim, which is your the
Gundongma and Lachung
Gurudongmar
places.
and all that, because there was a flood which happened over there. All the
Oh, oh.
one bridge was washed off, so we
Mm-hmm.
couldn't do North Sikkim that time. But rest of the Sikkim we did.
Lovely. I did the east and the north. I was lucky to go to Gundongma and come back. But yeah, west and south is pending.
Yeah. So there was one
Yeah, even
incident
up.
which has happened at our Sikkim ride. We went to a western part of Sikkim, and that was a small village from where they have this museum of trekkers over there. So we spent some time over there, and while coming back from there, a landslide happened in front of
Oh,
us. So
oh my God.
we got stuck over there. So what is to be done now? Landslide, जब तक वो crane भी ना आएगा, तब तक तो evening हो जाएगा, and we couldn't able to reach Gangtok again. So then someone told us that there is a kacha rasta from where you can reach to Gangtok.
Mm-hmm.
So we took that route, and believe me, it was not a kacha rasta at all. It was boulder filled, the huge boulder filled road,
Oh
and
my God.
पूरा नीचे जाने के लिए था, and we were having pillions with us. Believe me, मेरा एक rear shock up टूट चुका था, and on a single shock up with pillion we have taken that route. It was full of
Oh,
descent, and it was really enduring. Means very tough, very tough, very tough.
absolutely. I can understand because I mean your stories are so very relating to mine as well. You know, I had this. So when in 2015 we went to Ladakh, there was this cloud burst happening very frequently, and there was a
Yeah.
landslide. मतलब खारदुंगला से by the time we could reach Leh, I mean we were stuck in South Pulu for a day and a half, and
Oh, okay.
and just 1 kilometer ahead of South Pulu, there was this landslide that happened. My friend went to check, and right in front of him, this landslide happened. You know, and
Oh my
he
God.
somehow had this presence of mind. He ran ahead, and then when the landslide finished, he actually pulled out mud from his hand, then pulled out the bike, and he came back. And
Oh,
in the night, we were actually, because we would have starved if we would have stayed there. There was just an emergency post, right? So, and
yeah.
then we had to stop there, and we were pushed out by the police around 5 in the evening. And ahead there were another 15 odd landslides that had happened, and the road was completely closed, and we had to go down the boulder, you know, the ravine, the
Wow.
in between places. And imagine I was on my CPR, and this guy says, "आप चलो, मैं बता रहा हूँ रास्ता." And that was I just remembered that because you said this, you know, it was, I mean,
Landslide,
going
yeah.
down that boulders when there is no light, I couldn't even see where I'm going and where I'm putting my bike. And
Yeah, but these are the
we brought down
experiences
about,
of
I think,
lifetime we encounter, yeah.
yeah, yeah. And then we were 9, and we had another 8 Israelis with us.
Oh,
And
okay.
and I was leading the entire jund over there, and we brought them down.
Okay.
15 kilometers took us 6.5 hours to come down.
Oh my God, I can understand that. That terrain is as such. You cannot,
Yeah.
predict the time. कहाँ पे आप stuck
And
हो जाओगे, and you cannot do anything.
exactly, and the rains, we were soaked to the skin. मतलब बहुत बहुत कठिन था वो. It was really
Uh,
difficult. So Vishal, being an advocate, I'm going to take some advantage of you.
Yeah,
Um, um, you can, I mean, I think you can guide the bikers or our audience on a few things which are related to bikes, you know, few laws that are related to biking, as in, you know, the traffic rules and things like that. I know, you know, the accident, basically the insurance part. Few tips I think you can definitely share with us, which can help us bikers to fight better when we get
see, the
stuck.
only tip which I can tell bikers is, keep your documents intact, keep renewing your licenses, keep renewing your insurance every year diligently. A single day of lapse in renewing your insurance will put you in trouble. So on roads, follow all the traffic rules. We are bikers. We are considered to be responsible bikers. And now with all the new bikes coming on the road, and people are so fascinated by bikers, there are few who doesn't want to follow the rules, and they
Yeah,
just do a rash riding on the highways too, which we are seeing nowadays. I will suggest them to join some group, learn some nitty-gritties of biking, then go solo, rather than from beginnings riding solo on the highways. You won't learn what actual biking is. You can ride a bike. I don't mind you riding solo, but if you really want to understand the rule, what biking is, what biking culture is all about, you need to ride with the group in initial days. Otherwise, you won't learn the rules and the important aspect of riding on the highway. And I'm lucky enough that I got this wonderful group of bikers, bisons, and I have learned from these stalwarts of biking. To be very honest with you, our group was so strict that even if you are wearing a sport shoes while riding, we won't be allowed to ride. Full
how
face
nice.
helmet is mandatory. If you have a half face helmet, those stylish ones, you're not allowed to ride with the group.
Awesome.
Absolutely not. So these are the important aspects, safety aspect, which I have learned. The road signs, biking road signs, where to stop, the hand gestures, which we always do. Shilpa, you must be knowing that. So
Yeah.
these are the things which we learn from people who are riding since ages. Yeah, that's the important tip which I can tell all the bikers. Not a legally, I can tell them only about insurance part. Keep your insurance
Yeah,
intact
that is
every.
the main part, right? I mean,
Yeah,
see, like in the
yeah, yeah.
city, we see people riding without helmets. We see them riding with chappals. We see them, I mean, do so many things. But and when they meet with an accident, they don't get the claim. So those were the
छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं,
uh,
but these are important things to keep in mind.
एंड ये हम लोग इंश्योरेंस में कभी पढ़ते नहीं है एज इन यू नो नीदर द
Yeah.
इंश्योरेंस insurer tells us nor the insurer knows that okay these are the
See,
things that
they
needs to
just
be
want
done.
to pass the buck. They don't want to give you an actual claim. You need to fight for it. That is a fact in India. Yeah.
Yeah, but all I mean even when we are wrong we should know where like अभी हेलमेट अगर हम लोग पहन के हाईवे पे बिना हेलमेट जाते हैं तो वी कांट क्लेम इंश्योरेंस आई मीन इट वी
100%.
वोंट गेट
We won't
राइट
get.
एग्जैक्टली
लाइसेंस लोग लाइसेंस रिन्यू नहीं करते हैं यार.
absolutely I know
हाँ,
and in many cities and towns they don't even get a license issued. I mean they don't even go to the RTO to get a
RTO
license to
office. Yeah.
yeah
ये सब
so
छोटी
so how that is what I wanted to know like how important it is to adhere to these things like यहाँ से 5 मिनट ही जा रहा हूँ लेकिन मैं हेलमेट नहीं पहनूंगा
हेलमेट पहन के नहीं जाओगा. True. People
you
do
know
that.
so how does it legally affect them is what if we could throw some light on it.
See, frankly speaking, uh, insurance guys always look for the smallest loophole. They'll try to reduce your claim. They'll try to not honor your claim. Even as PUC, a small thing which we required and we need to renew every year. People don't do that.
Correct.
And without valid PUC, your claim won't get passed.
No, but that is the. I mean, as per the new rule, is that mandatory?
See, frankly speaking, it is mandatory.
Hmm.
It is,
Okay.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah. Though
someone else also asked the same
Supreme Court
question.
recently has said that PUC is not mandatory for insurance claims, but insurance and the insurance body always wants list of documents to be in place.
Yeah, and I think it is very important. And yeah, although we blame insurance people that उन लोग अपना insurance काटते हैं, they don't give us full claim and all that. We also
Yeah,
fail to see that we are doing those mistakes, giving them those loopholes to work around and not give us the insurance that is utmost necessary to us.
yeah.
So
ललित
yeah,
ने लिखा नीचे जिसका बाइक है उसके पास लाइसेंस है ना मैं क्यों लाइसेंस लूं these are the attitude people have.
yeah, that is. So he is my friend, and we
Yeah,
have
I
faced
know.
this many times, and especially when we go to the rural areas or small town cities, small towns or small cities where they say अरे लाइसेंस की क्या जरूरत है मैं तो इधर ही गली कुचे में ही चलाता हूँ मैं
गली में
कोई
जा
मेन
रहा
रोड पे नहीं जा
हूँ
रहा
जरूरत नहीं
हूँ
या
they don't renew their insurance. What they fail to understand is that when you have an accident, if you have a damage or something, that actually works. I mean, you get that claim. 50% हो या full claim. I mean, depending on the parts and things like that. But that is
yeah
very useful. But and also mainly for the pillions people don't ask them to wear gears and stuff like that, which is also very important for
very
the
risky very risky and important aspect
yeah.
to keep in mind. Even pillion should have all the safety gears in place.
So Abhishek says your wife is also an avid biker. Mamta
Yeah
is such a
she,
lovely
she,
person like Vishal and very supportive and a good pillion.
yeah
अभी वो good pillion का certificate मैं नहीं दे सकती हूँ but
he's a he's a dear friend and he knows me since long, so he's aware of all my rides where we went, and he knows Mamta accompanies me everywhere. On our Ladakh ride, she was there. Spiti ride we did together, so she comes with me, and she's very supportive in that regard. She's here with me.
yeah, please call her.
Yeah.
We would love to
Mamta,
see
one
her.
second. Yeah, 1 second. Follow. Yes, she is.
Hi.
Hi, Mamta.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello. Yeah,
You can
fine.
hold it portrait.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So Mamta, do you ride with Vishal or you just go pillion with him?
I just go pillion. I don't know riding.
अरे विशाल सिखा दो यार. You should
अरे
teach her
आती
to
है बट
ride.
वो बस वो डर लगता है ना 220 किलो की बाइक
It's very
चलाना.
heavy bike, no?
अरे बाइक में मोटर लगी हुई है. It won't become heavy. Don't worry. Never mind. We will do a ride and then you'll get so confident. You will tell Vishal पीछे बैठो अब मैं चला रही हूँ.
Yeah, I love to do that. I love to do that.
Definitely, I will make you do that. 110%. ये मेरी guarantee है.
Sure.
So,
Thank you.
so what is one place that you would love to go with Vishal? I mean, I know you've been on a lot of rides, but what is that one place that you would love to go with him on a ride and spend time there?
Ladakh, we went there, but I love to go again to Ladakh trip once again. I don't mind.
And which place in Ladakh did you like the most?
Ladakh, everything I like. Zanskar we like the most actually. Zanskar is a different part of Ladakh, but I like the Zanskar Valley.
Yeah, Padum is very beautiful. I went there very shortly. I just spent about few hours, but I am sure that the monasteries and everything are so beautiful. It's worth
Yeah,
going there.
the best part of our Zanskar ride was after means, after we crossed this famous Pagal Nala in Zanskar Valley before Rangdum. My bike failed due to that mud on the road. As I told you, Zanskar
And
doesn't
we
have a
Yeah,
road.
fell down.
We fell down
yeah.
and I was parking my bike at a homestay, and suddenly my handle broke into pieces.
Yeah, it came out of.
It came out, and there was no mechanic, nothing. So we stayed at Rangdum for 2 days because बाइक वापस कारगिल भेजने के लिए जगह नहीं थी
Correct.
और व्हीकल ही नहीं थी. There was no vehicle. Then on third day we got one military vehicle. So we requested them. We put our bike in that military truck, and they took that bike to Kargil. हमको तो साथ में नहीं लेके गए वो कि नहीं, we are not allowed to take any civilian in our truck.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you just give us the address of the hotel and we'll put the bike over there. So
Okay.
we गई Kargil, and we in a tempo tracks, we went back to Kargil. By the time we reached Kargil, our hotel guy has fixed the handle, नया handle लगा दिया and everything, without having any communication, because there was no communication channel, not even a landline.
Correct.
There are no mobile networks in Rangdum.
We have to do from
Monastery, which is 7 kilometers ahead of the main town. So that was fun. But very beautiful place, the grass meadows till your eyes goes, then the snow-capped mountains around you. Very beautiful place. Rangdum is one of the favorite places which I have traveled to.
Absolutely, I agree to that. Strongly agree to that. Zanskar is really beautiful and worth going there. अभिषेक
Yeah.
बोल रहा है ममता को बैठने दो, जरा पैर दुख जाएंगे उनके.
आ जाएगी. Sorry guys.
So meanwhile, Milton Singh is asking, now since you are a certified biker, one question is your bike 2-stroke or 5-stroke? Pun intended.
Milton aware why my name has been given as a 2-stroke in my biking group. So, as every biker, we have this session in our group when you go on a first ride. You were asked questions about your bike. And in my college days, I used to ride this Yamaha RX100, which was a 2-stroke, So, वो भागती थी ना यार. So ये Royal Enfield लेने के बाद when I went on a ride, ये भी भागती है. So I've been asked a question कि तेरी बाइक 2-stroke है क्या 4-stroke है? So जब ये बाइक I have said कि हाँ यार ये तो 2-stroke ही है. So that's how my name has been given as a 2-stroke in my biking group. So that's why
That's why you named your Instagram ID also as 2-stroke.
2-stroke, yeah. Yeah, it's my name in my biking group.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So now you still have your RX100 or have you given it off?
No, I have sold it off. When I shifted to Bombay, I have sold it off. It was at Malegaon. So I have sold it off.
Oh, okay. Great. So मालेगांव में लफड़े होते हैं, लद्दाख में जाओ वहां पे लफड़े होते हैं, कहीं भी जाओ कुछ ना कुछ लफड़े करते
अरे मैं लॉयर हूँ, मेरे लाइफ में लफड़े होने ही है दोस्त. लफड़े नहीं होंगे तो काम कैसे चलेगा?
हाँ ये भी है, धंधा नहीं होने वाला है तुम्हारा. So Mamta, what do you do? Apart from being a pillion, what do you do professionally?
I'm also a lawyer. We work together.
मतलब आर्ग्यूमेंट चलता ही रहने वाला है. And argument goes on.
बिल्कुल चलना है. We practice together in our firm.
Okay, so you also are into real estate and things like that.
Yeah.
चलो एक से भले दो.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
So but you have to tell me one more thing. Let me think of one good question for you.
Yeah, tell me.
So between the two of you, अगर किसी का झगड़ा ज्यादा हुआ तो कौन पहले किसको मनाता?
That's a very tricky question.
Tricky question, but ठीक है यार, दोनों कभी एक दूसरे को मना लेते हैं हम लोग.
I'll do first.
Agree. Don't want to get into an argument with a lawyer and a wife.
Don't can't get into an argument with the wife who is also a lawyer.
Lawyer,
You cannot,
yeah.
you can never go ahead with
Yeah,
it.
any day, any day, any day.
So, how have you felt like, I mean, you take your wife along, but then groups may, have you done any long ride with your wife, without your wife?
See, the
सोबत जाने
longest which we did was Ladakh and
Ladakh.
Zanskar Valley together.
20 days it was.
21 days we explored that terrain.
And even
And did you go with a group as such, or it was just
No,
the two of you?
myself and one of my biker friend, Mayuri. So
Okay.
she was with us. So we four people went on a two bike.
even luggage is with us here.
But
Huge
luggage
luggage.
कैसे उठा के लेके गए यार? मतलब pillion, it's such a pain.
हाँ, but वो लद्दाख कैरियर है, पीछे रैक है, सब कुछ है, तो we managed it.
But I'm sure Mamta will always face a problem. वो जो इतना बड़ा carrier उसके ऊपर से पैर डाल के बैठने का, and then sit there for all the time that you take her through all those dirty roads. It's going
No,
to
no,
be so
in fact,
painful.
I felt कि पीछे luggage के कारण I
Back
feel more
support.
comfortable.
बैक सपोर्ट मिलता है ना,
अच्छा,
लेकिन
इसके
पीछे
लिए.
रखा हुआ रहता है.
Yeah.
Because I mean, when I went first time to Ladakh, Lalit was with me, and he injured his hand, so
Oh.
he couldn't ride. So we couldn't share the ride as such. So 90% of the time I used to ride, and he used to be pillion. तो मुझे हमेशा गाली देता था, कैसे चला रही है, मुझे दुख रहा है. I'm like, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? You can stand if you wish. I didn't ask you to injure your hand. Abhishek is saying Vishal and Mamta have an advantage of courts holidays, so it is good that they plan long rides and family holiday as well.
हाँ, वो
हाँ यार,
पॉसिबल
स्कूल
हो
के
जाता
जैसे ही
है.
होता है ना.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वो पॉसिबल हो जाता है, बट अपने साथ प्रॉब्लम है ना दोस्त. मई में जब वैकेशन होता है, व्हेन वी हैव अ वैकेशन ऑफ कोर्ट इन मे, अपने रोड्स खुलते नहीं है लद्दाख साइड के.
हाँ,
इट
वो है.
ओपन्स पोस्ट मे. तो मेरे को वैसे भी अभिषेक छुट्टी लेनी पड़ती है बॉस.
So where else have you been in India or abroad? Anywhere else you have gone right?
See, India we did, if I'll start from top, Ladakh, Kashmir, then your Swachh Pass, Killer Kishtwar, then Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, most of the Maharashtra, MP, Goa, yes, Karnataka, Kerala, then Sikkim, Arunachal, Meghalaya, we did. These are the places I have been to.
Okay. मतलब अभी east side पूरा बाकी है.
हाँ, नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूरा करना है. I want to go to Nagaland, I want to go to Manipur, Mizoram,
Mizoram, Tripura,
yeah, Tripura.
and then West Bengal, Orissa.
हाँ, Orissa I
South,
wanted
south.
to do since long, yeah. I have heard that Orissa is really beautiful and very raw. So I
Yeah,
wanted to go.
Orissa is a very, very beautiful state. I mean, it's not just about Konark, or it's not just about Puri, or
Puri, yeah.
but amazing. It's so untouched and so unexplored.
Yeah.
Even the culture and everything, it's beautiful. So this ride is my suggestion to you, that you need to go to Orissa. अगला 20 दिन ओडिशा में निकालना जब छुट्टी मिलेगी तभी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Definitely
बिल्कुल.
you will absolutely enjoy it,
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आएगा.
राइड पे तो वैसे भी मजा आता है शिल्पा. For me, ride is not only riding. I love to explore places. I love to learn new things from that terrain. Love to explore food. Then photography, as I told you, I love to click photographs. Though I'm just a beginner in photography, but with mobile camera I try to click whatever beautiful things I see. So I love to do that. Bhutan I did, which was a good place to visit. Now they have increased it, but when we went last year,
Okay.
no fees for Indians. But now, because of you must be knowing what
Yeah.
exactly has happened and why they have
Exactly.
restricted everything. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's sad to see some people go and abuse the culture over there and then
Yeah,
create
yeah,
problems for everyone
yeah.
else.
And
We should never
unfortunately,
do
you
that.
know, the person was from our biking community only, so अच्छा नहीं
Yeah,
लगता है.
and
But
that was sad. That was very sad. Yes.
that was the only reason I say na you ride with a group, you know, you learn the culture, and then you know you love to explore in a proper way.
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely. So Dipti says that Orissa is a very beautiful state, and you will get a variety to see out there. And because she is actually from Kerala, but then she has lived in Orissa. She has studied
okay.
there and all that, so she knows Orissa in and outside.
Sure, Dipti, sure. We'll take your guidance when we plan Orissa in coming years. Yeah. Honestly, that was in my
Absolutely.
bucket list. I wanted to go to Orissa, and I'll do that.
Yeah. Cool. So, anything you would like to tell our audience? Any good thing, bad thing, anything that they should
There is no bad thing in
keep in
biking.
mind?
There is no bad thing in biking. There is always a learning. Keep riding, guys. That's it. Keep riding, keep exploring.
That's nice. Mamta, do you have anything to say to our riders?
Just stay safe while riding.
And just keep riding.
Yes, keep riding. Yes.
Yeah, and that goes for you also, Mamta. You have to keep riding, then you'll get the confidence.
Yes, sure, sure.
So next time, Vishal, you have to get her with us when we go for a ride, and she will ride. You will sit pillion.
Done, done, done.
You are gonna teach me.
Yes, absolutely. I do teach, so I will take this as a opportunity to teach you and then get you on the road.
Yes.
Cool. So Vishal, thanks very much for being with us on this show. I hope you enjoyed the show with us and talking to us and to the audience. Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely, yeah. Having a conversation with a biker and reliving your biking memories is an important and amazing part for me. I always love to share my experiences, which we have experienced on our rides. It was always a pleasure to be with you. You know, we have met and we have discussed. You remember our meet at Press Club?
Yeah, yeah. We met very briefly, but yeah, whatever time we spent, that was really good, I guess.
Amazing. So we always enjoy the time with each other. That was a wonderful part.
Cool, cool. That was it's really interesting and inspiring to see like people from so many professional. I mean, some so very different profession and all that, taking their time out to go travel, explore our country and then share those experiences. It inspires us in some way. Like so many places you said, "मैं खुद भी जाना चाहती हूँ," so I will definitely go. That's an inspiration in itself. So yeah, that's lovely, and thanks very much for sharing your experience with us. And yeah, to the audience, thanks again for being with us as always. We will see you on Wednesday with another person who is also very interesting. She has also done a lot of things, and you will be amazed to listen to her story. So stay tuned with us. And yeah, we have also announced the winner of last month's contest. Please do check our post for that. Okay, so Abhishek has one question before we go for Mamta. He wants to know, how did you start riding?
तूने राइडिंग कैसे स्टार्ट किया?
Just as Vishal said, he joined Bison Ride Hard group. So every month he went to the riding club for some of the other destinations. So for some time, even I joined him. So that's how I started riding. And then we went to Ladakh. So before that, we went to RM, na?
RM. We went to Chandigarh RM.
Chandigarh RM.
Okay.
2015. Yeah.
So that is even I joined him on the bike. So from there we went to Amritsar, then Rajasthan, and we came back to Mumbai till riding all these places.
Wow, awesome. That must have been some experience, na?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. It was indeed.
Cool. Thanks again. Thanks very much for
Thank
being
you,
with
thank you,
us.
thank you
And
for having us. Thank you for having us on your
yeah,
amazing show, Deepak.
I enjoyed
Thanks
talking to
to
your wife
Abhishek
rather than
also.
you.
अभी
Thank you
मिलते
so
हैं,
much.
वापस मिलते
Thank
हैं
you.
यार, क्या बात है.
Yes, let's plan and let's meet up one of
Sure,
these
sure,
days.
sure. Sure.
Cool. So yeah,
Okay then.
thanks, and thanks a lot. And have a lovely Sunday. अभी
Thank
बारिश
you.
शुरू हो
Thank
गई तो
you.
गर्मी थोड़ी कम हो गई है. So
It is very hot
enjoy
actually.
your day.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much. Thank
to
you
our
so much.
audience as well, have a lovely Sunday. Have go out, get wet in the rain. थोड़ा immunity बढ़ाओ, फिर COVID भाग जाएगा. Then we can go
बिल्कुल
out.
बिल्कुल 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 दोस्त. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
take care. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. So, guys, that was Vishal and Mamta for you. I hope you all enjoyed our session. As always, you are all welcome to leave us some or the other feedback if you have anything that we would you would like us to take on our interviews. Also, please let us know if this timing suits you all best, because we are planning to shift this sessions to the evening. So, do you want a 12 noon? Uh, do you want a 12 o'clock session, or do you want an evening session on Sundays? Please do let us know, and we shall conduct the interviews accordingly. Thank you very much for being with us. Deepak sir, you can watch our IGTV, and we will be also posting it on our YouTube soon, so you can watch the interviews on IGTV as well. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Take care, everyone, and bye bye.